Ka Ophis Deputy Commissioner Ri Bhoi haka jingiatreilang bat ka Ophis District Sports haka singi khat tarik Naiwieng kila pynlong ya ka prokram Jinghikai ban Kwah Kam Shipai lane ka training program for Army Recruitment ya ki Samla Ri Bhoi bat Kiba thep ikikot kisla naga bynta Kwah Kam Shipai ya kani ka program la pynlong ha district library Nongpoh bat Madan NSCA Pahamsyiem. Lyngba kani ka program Jinghikai la sdang mynta ka khat tarik Naiwieng bat kan kut haduh ka khat nyau tarik Naiwieng. Ki Samla kilayo shibun ki jingmyntoi bat ka jingshemphang wat tang hakani ka sngi ningkong. Ye ki wei pat ki jinit ki jinat ki Nonghikai kin sasam ban pensyai haki sngi ban wan. Hakani ka program sedang la don lang ka Kong Balakyntiew Ranee ADC Ri Bhoi District u Major Venkat Reddy bat ki Samla na them Ri Bhoi.
Ini. Ayo kan no. Nhung tuan ni. Mana? Mana ni nyung ni? Mana? Yang ni nyung betul lah.
Okay, this training, as you're all aware, is for those candidates who have cleared the written test and who will appear for the recruitment rally for Agri on the 10th to the 12th December at Umrah Cantonment. So, under the leadership and initiative of our Deputy Commissioner, the District Administration, in collaboration with the Office of the District Sports Officer, has arranged this training. It's a month-long training for all those candidates so that it will help them in their next test, okay, that is the physical efficiency test. So without much ado, I would like to impress upon our young guests over here, or over our candidates, that this is indeed an opportunity for all of you to learn a lot from Major Venkat, who is going to deliver a short pep talk today along with the presentation. After this presentation, we will be heading to Pahamsyiem ground, where we will be heading or will be having a month-long coaching from the Office of the District Sports Officer as well as the police to guide you in appearing for the physical efficiency test. So this is an opportunity for the youth of our district who have cleared the written test, and also an opportunity for those who aspire to join Agri from next year. So we would like every one of you to spread the word about such opportunities so that in the next phase, in the next year, we could see more youth joining. And we should also thank our Deputy Commissioner who have initiated such a good training program to equip a youth in training them to appear for both the written and the physical efficiency test. So we've already run ahead.
Don't believe anyone. Okay, don't believe anyone, don't give money to anyone. There is no false way or indirect route to join army. Okay, only your hard work can get you here, or your hard work can get you wear this uniform. Next one, what is Indian Army? Why to join Indian Army? How to join Indian Army? And these are the official websites of Indian government. Twitter.army.nic.in, home, Instagram and Facebook. These are the official government websites where you get all collective information. With 8th class pass, what all job opportunities you have. With 10th pass, what all job opportunities you have. which day, which month notification is out, when is the last day of applying for exam, when will be your return. Discipline, fidelity, honor, courage and forthrightness. Country, this job gives you these many advantages. It's a challenging career. You will be fit as a mental health. You will be having financial stability. You will be having social status as a warrior. You will be physically fit. You will have job satisfaction. You will have quality of life. You will have professional advancement. After joining Indian Army also, if you want to study and if you want to go further in studies, you have given option after certain amount of doing service. You can study, you can enjoy your life, you can have a good financial stability. These are the great advantages as of today. If you compare, these many advantages are not available in any other job in India. Okay, next.